Oh man, my bad, yeah. I guess I had to say that. Okay, let's just go with the thing. There you go.
Yeah. Are we jumping from the top again?
Yeah, we just jump on top. I guess we could get right to it. That's about to get like, okay, so you know what?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Storiers.
Yes, yes. It's good to see you all.
We got a special episode.
Woo! The unboxing project.
That's right. So yeah, it's that time of year. So that's not at all true, actually. I misunderstood the rules of this thing, and that's why we didn't upload. Plus, we haven't uploaded, so my bad.
Christmas time. Yeah, we got a gift. Who's the gift from?
Metal for breakfast.
Ooh, what a great thing.
Thank you, Metal. Yeah. So we this is part of the unboxing project. We're opening this, then we're gonna put our own gift in there and send it on its way
to the next person.
Yep. Let's see what's.
Hey, you know I want to do the honors. Let me sit on back down. I stood up for some reason, got off camera. Oh.
Stand back so I don't get cut.
Alright, lose a finger. Hey. Are you ready?
Working my drum.
Oh, wait. Open from Metal for breakfast.
So when I was a kid, I would just open the present first, and then if I got to the card, great.
If not,
my mom was like, "You know there's a card, right?" And I was like, "Yeah, okay."
I made it myself. Everything else should stay in the box.
What's the rest? What's that?
Oh, wait. There's something on the back. Dear friend. Wait.
Friend.
Fran. Dear Fran.
Is that German?
Is it German? I'm not sure. Fran.
Dutch.
Sounds German. Dear Fran. Not every day we get a gift here at Storiers HQ.
Right, let's go.
Alright, let's see what it is. Yours to keep.
It's light.
Oh, it is.
What do you think it is? Any guesses?
Let me touch it first.
Touch.
It is.
I know he makes metal stuff, so I'm guessing.
You want to be something
if
metal.
he said he made it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with keychain here.
Keychain? Okay. I'm gonna go with Storiers keychain. I like that idea. I like keychain.
Oh,
Alright.
you can't go with the same thing I went with.
Why not? We're partners.
Yeah, but I thought this was like a
We're supposed to be of
competition.
one mind.
Who gets closer?
Oh, okay. So you're gonna keychain the thing. I'm gonna go bracelets. 2 Storier bracelets.
All right, let's go.
Is it Yoda? Oh, this is better than Oh my God, that's dope.
Yeah.
Oh, let's show you people.
Neither one of us were close
Oh, I would never been able to guess that. That's nice. Try or try not. No.
at all. Yeah.
What was I saying?
No. Do or do not.
There's no try.
No try.
Do or do not. There is no
Your
try.
Yoda voice needs some work. Thank you, Metal. Appreciate it.
This is evil Yoda.
It's perfect, actually,
Yeah,
for
right.
our shelf.
Let's see what else we got. Oh, everything else stays.
So this stuff stays in the box. Are we allowed to show this stuff, I wonder?
I don't know. We can only cut this part out.
Dear Sparky and Eliza, thank wrap our stuff, though.
This way, no.
Wait.
If we thought about
Thanks for watching. This is a little different, lot different than what we usually do, actually. But we're moving towards different. So yeah, we're gonna do something different coming up. A lot different than what we've been doing. Changing direction. Probably an introduction of direction, because I don't even know if we've had any direction since we started. Anyway, so we're pretty excited about it. I'm excited. Jared's excited. Mario's excited. Everybody's excited. A lot of excitement. Later. Subscribe and all that stuff.